my favorite things about WordPress today is the ability to use content blocks. So WordPress's most recent editor, Gutenberg, allows you to start a new page or post and use content blocks. This little plus sign right here is going to appear. You'll see it up here. If you click that, you're able to add a block, and you can add all kinds of blocks from code to video to embed items to lists to categories to reusable blocks to buttons. So we definitely want to be using WordPress Gutenberg. So to get Gutenberg, it's free. You just need to update your WordPress and make sure you have the most recent version of WordPress. If you click over here to plugins, if your WordPress needs to be updated, there's going to be a notification that it needs to be updated. So you want to make sure that you're using the most recent version. And you can also go over and put WordPress update in your Google bar, in your Google search, and you can access WordPress. Right now, we have the most recent version of WordPress is, here you can see the update. So May 21st of 2019, 5.2.1. So this is how you can make sure that you have the most recent version of WordPress. Now, if you update it and you still do not have the ability to add blocks, you might have to activate them in your settings. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go over to Dashboard. We're going to go down here to Settings and go to Writing. And you might see this box here that says Default Editor for all users. Classic Editor has no blocks. Block Editor has the blocks. So that may take care of it for you there is by activating your blocks. If you don't see it, it's possible that you're using a theme that for some reason does not have the newest version. It does not have blocks activated, so you may need to update your theme. You might also have to contact your developer or whoever it is you have WordPress through. There are actually some websites that are refusing, even though they're on WordPress, they're refusing to update to Gutenberg because they've got other plugins that cause a conflict because the other plugins have not yet updated their codes to work well with Gutenberg. They're not allowing Gutenberg to be activated. Now, if you're on Wealthy Affiliate, I have several websites through Wealthy Affiliate. You can find the link below in this video. And yes, I am able to activate blocks. If you have a brew through the marketing company that I founded, Ballen Brands, yes, those have Gutenberg now, Gutenberg friendly, the blocks, but you might just have to update your theme. So make sure that you're reaching out. All of us now should have the ability to use Gutenberg. And I'll just tell you, as a blogger, as a six-figure affiliate, I 100% must have Gutenberg. It has just made my life so much easier, and blogs are so much better to use now today.